This Coyote would run really good in that car.
Probably would. I'd swap it.
Hell no, dude. My truck, no. Like I said, dude, I can literally get as much horsepower as that 302 right there as I could a Coyote.
That's true.
Easily.
It's very true.
And that's easier to work on than this one.
It's quite a bit easier to work on.
Oh. But yeah, I just hate how they put 2 fucking belts on these things. That's a brand new one, though.
I'm out of here.
Huh?
See you, Seth.
Oh, hey. Come here.
All right, guys. So we just pushed the truck over here. We're gonna change the water pump and put a new pulley on or a belt on, which we got. Change the water pump, get this thing fixed and ready to go. So see y'all in a minute. Just got the pulley off, and I'm gonna try and show you guys this.
That's how you know your water pump's bad.
I think it's pretty hefty. Maybe it's supposed to be like that. No, I doubt it.
Let me see it. Like, I can't even see it. Oh my God, it backed it all the way
Yeah,
out.
look. See if you can see it in the video.
Oh,
right
I mean, yeah, you see it perfect.
that's pretty rough.
Yeah.
Well, since you're here, guys, we're gonna leave you here.
Yeah, because hang on, what? Hey, is that got a 4? Here, dude, look at that. Look at the difference. See, it's got the 4-piece on it. Like,
Yeah.
this is a circle on my new one. But anyway, it should work just fine.
Leave them there for a minute.
Now we've got a brake.
See if they can't.
Now here, let me show you here. See how many of these for?
Yeah, that's what I'm going for.
I don't know exactly what size it is.
Where'd the ratchet go?
Right there in front of you. Here. Hey. You probably need the extension.
We'll see if these are 10s.
Come up. There you go. You can get your hand in there.
These,
10s?
yep.
Oh, good. Here, let me have the phone.
Yeah, I'll let you record a little bit.
You hand it to me and my finger touching it.
That's fine.
I know. Yeah, it's just hard to record in here. I ain't got a whole lot of room.
Holy crap.
You gotta put some manpower to it, bud. There you go.
Oh, I got a thing jabbing in my gut.
Yeah, it's called the hood latch. Oh, deal, man. Did y'all see my arms?
Mm-mm.
My arms are all fucked up because of this right here. See, when this was in the way, I had to reach in there and do all this without that. The breather box really, really sucks. It's just right in the way, and especially when you got everything when you're on the side of the road. Yeah, just hand me those bolts.
I'll try to.
That's why I said it's a little bit of a pain. Just a tad bit.
I need a really long extension for this. Even if I was using a ratchet.
Can you hold your phone?
Yeah.
Dude, I can't believe that pulley come all the way out like that. That's the first time I've ever seen a water pump do that. Let me get them. You see it now?
Yeah, I think you're gonna have to get it. My arms ain't long enough to reach down there.
Yeah. Swap me out.
That when I try and pull up on it, my other arm isn't long enough to push down on it.
All good. Oh, I just got to find. Let go.
Just pull out.
It's easier said than done. A whole lot. When you got a fan in the way and everything.
Oh yeah, that's what it is.
Yeah. There it is. Turn my hand this way. Oh, this sucks. Come on. Just release. Oh. All right. Oh, let's see if they're 10s. Ooh, smaller. Okay. Smaller. Not good. I've got a. I don't have the adapter over here to go down.
Yeah, you do. It's
No,
in the
I need
tray.
disconnects. Oh. I was gonna say, I wonder how much room we have to pry on that.
Hope we don't void no warranties over here.
Oh, they got warranty.
Oh, well, you don't need a warranty then to do all this, right?
Not exactly. It should just be them four, right? Huh. Figure out why it's not wanting to just release. I'm looking. Gonna see where I can get an opening at. With the throttle body in the way, it's a little pain.
See, if we were a professional, we'd strip the whole motor down to the block and then get it off.
Yeah, because you know that's what all these companies want you to do nowadays.
Seems like it.
Which I mean, I think I just well, there's metal.
There's metal.
That pulley's about completely out of there.
Oh boy, we're almost there. Hey, I think it fell.
Reach down and grab it, because you want to get pictures of this.
Got it. Yeah. Whew. Oh, it ate it up, dude.
Oh, it destroyed it.
Holy crap.
That's what I said.
Wow.
Yeah, I mean, it
Junk.
completely killed.
What the other junk parts it goes, I guess.
Okay.
It's probably going to be a very boring video for them because all they've seen is the inside of your truck. But it's whatever. You know how these.
Oh. Okay. And I need. Okay, nope, smaller extension.
Should definitely be done fairly soon, hopefully.
Okay.
Ready for this thing to go on, ain't you?
Oh, I'm ready to quit looking at it. Hold on. All right, there we go. I can't tell if that's it or not. Yeah, that's it. Okay, there's that one. Get up here. Let go. Okay. Oh. All right, hand me a ratchet. Grab that.
Oh boy, finding it. I was about to say, it's gonna be hard finding it. Ratchet on all that.
Yeah. Last one. Yeah, there we go. All right.
Always. All right, guys. Now we're just buttoning things up, cleaning it up, putting everything back on. Shouldn't really be here too much longer. Hopefully.
Unless, you know, the 5-minute job turns into a hour-long job because, you know, bolt snaps or something else. Like,
Don't say that. That's happened too many times to us, Nick.
shit happens. Shit has happened. Oh. Oh. There we go. That's gonna be. Yeah, let's say let these kind of circulate because I mean it'd be a little echoey with that.
Yeah. All right, so we got the truck mostly finished up, but it's just too cold outside to work on it. So we'll finish it up in tomorrow's video or the next video. The next time you watch a video, it'll be finished up. So Nick, tell them what to do. Like, subscribe, comment, share.
Yeah. Yeah, like, subscribe, comment, everything that you can do to help us, you know, because as of right now, as you can see, you can pan over to our heater here.
That's all we got. We need to be monetized so we can grow. So you guys can help us out with that. See you guys in the next video.